Hello there. My name is Jonathan Lee, and I'm a Senior Technical Account Manager in Amazon Web Services. In this video, I'll be talking about contact flow modules in Amazon Connect. In Amazon Connect, the contact flow is what defines the customer experience from start to finish. Each contact flow contains a set of flow blocks, such as playing audio file or collecting customer input. When you have flow logics, which are used repeatedly, you can use contact flow modules. They can be referenced from multiple contact flows in the same Connect instance. Its concept is similar to subroutines or functions in computer programs. By utilizing the flow modules, you only have to build the contact flow logic once, then reference the modules in applicable contact flows. Anytime you publish a new version of module, the changes will be reflected directly in all contact flows that reference the contact flow module. Let me show you how you can utilize the contact flow modules. First, you'll need to modify the user security profile to enable contact flow module functionalities. For this demo, I'm going to enable all permissions for the contact flow modules. Once it is enabled, you'll be able to see the Modules tab under the Contact Flow menu. Let's create a simple contact flow module which can be referenced from other contact flows. Let's first name the module, and then let's use the play prompt block to play something to the caller. I'm just going to use the text-to-speech feature and say a simple sentence. We'll need to end the flow module using the return block. It'll send the caller back to the main flow. Once all the blocks are connected, we can save and publish this flow module. We can confirm that there is a published version of contact flow module we can use. Now, let's see how we can use the module we just created. We are going to modify one of the sample contact flows. I'm going to insert the module in the beginning of the flow. As you can see, you'll be able to insert a block called Invoke Module. You can select which module you want to invoke by configuring this block. We are going to select the simple flow module we just created. Let's save and publish the flow. That's it. We just enabled and used Amazon Connect's contact flow module. You can use this module in multiple places in a flow or in any other contact flows in this instance. Using contact flow modules, you'll be able to streamline and simplify your contact flow development. For more information, please refer to the following links. Thank you for checking out this video. Please take a look at other videos for Amazon Connect and learn how you can build the best contact center in the cloud.